call to hold me deeper than I've ever been. No limit to this love is what it seems. Want my cup to run over, got me splitting at the seams. But what I really want to know is who created the running stitch that conceals my heart from gold. Surely it wasn't by design, for the maker so divine runs a line of love through everything. But we're in the world of man, patriarchal hierarchies that don't understand. Oh, freedom to be is the only way that we can breathe. So if you're holding on to something that don't feel like it's in your soul, check yourself to know you're right from wrong. They say it ain't black or white. Well, those that do have never been constricted and held so tight that they never got a chance to fully breathe, or to know that there is more to life than this, and there are deeper layers of truth from which we steep. Oh, nobody's ever held me this deep. I intend to let nobody else try to keep these secrets from my heart, for that is what I see. So call it free. Call it free. All this time been trying to find some space to be, but that don't exist in society. Gotta create the realms of new possibility and paint your reality. Don't try to put on me all the weight of your hierarchy. Don't try to impress on me all the ways you want to undress me, to try to reach the core of my energy. Not for you, that part is only meant for me. And all this time, all the roots I got to untangle from the poison vine. All this time, been trying to weave my own story to insert it into my timeline. All this time that I feel is wasted, I fully intend to reclaim it. All this time lost so now make haste. Oh, freedom don't wait for no one. Oh, you could wait a lifetime looking for permission. Oh, ain't nobody gonna give you it till you break free of the corruption of the system. Oh, there's only one truth in your heart, and that is yours. You gotta listen. Oh, striving for nobody else's goals. Oh, seek to know my business, 'cause nothing else is what I need to be on. Oh, selfless love, selfless love, selfless love, selfless love. Deeper than I ever been held before. Deeper now I know what I deserve, and I am sure. Deeper than the well of mystery from which my love outpours. Deeper than what I've been told is possible, and I implore you. Gotta find your frequency. Gotta find the root wave for you to break out so that you can just be. Gotta find a place within you where it don't matter what they say, 'cause you are all that is in the moment. Oh, find the rhythm of your heart and start to sing. Oh, breaking free. Oh, oh,